Yo, what up guys? Shout out to Netters once again. We'll be going over some origins and insertions, this time for the gastrocnemius muscle, which is superficial, and the soleus muscle, which is deep. So the gastrocnemius muscle attaches to the femur. It's important to note that it crosses the knee joint. So it attaches to the femur. Lateral head will attach to the lateral condyle, while the medial head will attach to the medial condyle. It'll insert onto the calcaneus via the calcaneal tendon. The soleus, on the other end, is important to note that it doesn't cross the knee joint, and it attaches basically right here to the fibular head, the soleal line, and the medial border of the tibia. Basically what it does, it comes from here and spans this way, and then it joins the gastrocnemius and attaches to the calcaneus via the calcaneal tendon. Alright, cool. So the reason why I said it's important to note that the gastrocnemius attaches or crosses the knee joint is because you can start to bias the soleus or the gastrocnemius based on the amount of flexion in the knee you have or extension. So I'm going to take this band, for example, make it like the gastrocnemius muscle, and when it's extended, try to get in frame here, when it's extended, you see how nice and taut this is, meaning taut meaning tight. But as soon as I bend it, look how loose the quote-unquote gastrocnemius is. So in a bent knee position, if you're doing plantar flexion or a calf raise, it's going to specifically hit more of the soleus because look how tight this is. But if you did a calf raise like this, the soleus will be targeted more. Alright, now on the other hand, when you're in a straight knee position, the gastrocnemius is taut, meaning tight, and you'll be able to bias more of the gastroc by doing a calf raise in a straight leg position. The reason why this is so important is because the gastrocnemius, in addition to the soleus muscle, can really add a bigger girth to your calf size. So if you're really trying to increase your calf size, straight leg, bent leg, soleus, and gastrocnemius. Hope this helps, and I'll be doing more of this later. Peace out. Thank you for watching.